Moving on to matters corruption, the EACC CEO Halake Wako says investigations of high-profile corruption cases are on course and will be finalized within the 60-day period as directed by the president. But how will they do it without the chairman Mumo Matemu and the deputy Irene Keino? Patrick Amimo has the details.
The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Act 2013 says the commission shall consist of a chairperson and 2 other members. Following the suspension of EACC chairman Mumo Matemu and vice chair Irene Keino and last month's resignation of Mike Sonko, Integrity Center now lacks a fully constituted commission. The Secretariat has been left to handle operations at the Commission, with concerns raised its decisions on corruption cases could be subject to legal challenges. But the Chief Executive Officer says the Commission will fully implement its mandate despite the setback.
The Commission has perpetual succession irrespective of the holders of the office. That's why people come and go.
On Monday, Mumo Matemu suspended Deputy CEO Michael Mobea for 90 days over controversy surrounding the sale and transfer of Integrity Center. Matemu also accused Mobea of hiding 5 files whose cases had been reported to the Commission. The Commission was also planning to discipline the CEO Halake Wako over allegations of insubordination, but postponed the decision since Wako was away on medical leave. But in a strange twist of events, Wako is now calling shots at the Commission after the 2 remaining commissioners were suspended on Thursday.
I know there are others that have been named, but the issue about this building is under very serious investigations. And we're not doing it alone because we are a tenant in the building, therefore we are an interested party. We are partnering with the CID, who is a state agent who is mandated to conduct such light investigations. We are on course, and once we are through, Kenyans will know the truth about the building.
Besides tough wars between commissioners and the Secretariat, both sides have accused one another of serious integrity issues and improprieties. Does the Secretariat retain moral authority to remain in office?
Any mention is usually subjected to investigations. That's why all the Kenyans whose cases are brought here don't end up in court.
Meanwhile, Nairobi Senator Mike Sonko was grilled over alleged attempts to influence the 46.6 billion shillings tender at Kenya Pipeline Company in a deal that was to earn him a cool 1.5 billion shillings. Sonko has disputed the claim.
Kenya Pipeline deal was awarded to Zakim and not Sinopec. So I don't understand why my name has been dragged into this dossier which was tabled by the president.
He was also questioned over their 930-acre Waitiki farm in Likoni, Mombasa. Sonko defended President Uhuru Kenyatta from any dealings on the purchase of Waitiki land. Suspended Cabinet Secretary for Lands Charity Ngilu told investigators President Kenyatta chaired negotiations where it was agreed Waitiki should be paid 1.1 billion shillings for the land.
The president never played any part on the negotiations between Waitiki and the government.
Suspended Principal Secretary for Defense Mutea Iringo appeared at the Commission for the 2nd time to answer to allegations of misappropriating 2.8 billion shillings in confidential expenditure at the office of the President. Patrick Amimo, KTN.